Violas. This is your tutorial on the Barber of Seville by Rossini, arranged by James Red McLeod. Okay, so we start here as we do in the beginning. Then you go and you play. Look at my bow. It doesn't really leave the string. I'm using the flexibility of my hair. It's not on the string, and it's not. Those are two completely different things. So if you turn the bow on the side of the hair, you're gonna gain the elasticity. Now start strong with lots of vibrato. If you're uncomfortable doing high 3/4, go and do it with the first finger. So you just have to get used to do it in third position. Okay, and then the next one. Now C sharp. Practice this. You can do it with low 2 and 3 for the F sharp. And same thing, you can practice getting it in third position. Okay? Now if you want to stay in first position, okay, whichever fingering you choose, it has to be in tune. Then we go to the tremolo. Okay, and then you continue, and once you finish with the decrescendo, you can stay at the tip. Okay, now we're going to 21. You could probably do that in third position. If you do it in first position, it will be. So it kind of like bends the sound when you play open string, but if you're in third position, you can play right a lot quieter start too. So okay, now last note propelled you to the middle of the bow or closer to the tip, and now you play the next note. Now you have a nice line at 29. Now I want you to disappear on the long note a little bit faster than everybody else, but bring out the moving line up. Go away. Then. Okay? And there is the last chords of that section. Okay, there's nothing really in this part. Just check on notes. A for a long time, 45. Okay, then we keep moving. Now we are at 60, and so at 60 you have to have a good start on those three notes. So you're playing before 60, you're playing A, G, G, A, 2, 3, and then keep it calm. Yeah. This is where you become more active on the accent again. Okay, so let's do it again from 59. 1, 2, ready, and 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. I think the cleanest one is all 1, 2, 3, 4. You can of course do that. Now a little longer on the accent. So kind of like an echo, okay? So you gotta practice. A little bit faster. Ready, set, go. Okay, so nice meaty notes, and also pay a particular attention to the sharps. So that one, and then it becomes normal. Now super strong A flat and short, and you return immediately to start from here. Now I see a lot of people changing the strings from their upper arm and elbow, and looks like that. Okay, if that is you, then try to steal your upper arm and understand that strings crossings can be done also from this. Rotate your forearm. Okay, now we're gonna go find the closest as efficient as possible. See, same stroke as the beginning, with a little bit more vertical energy. Okay, those notes are not long horizontally. In order for them to be quiet, you have to play with a super short bow. Like a pinhead, that kind of length. Right? Okay, and then we are building up, so each group needs to get louder and louder. Okay, here we don't have to return the bow. At 70, return immediately, and here at 74, more insistent, I use, make sure it's in tune, more insistent the next one. Okay, now we're going to the big run, and okay, slowly. So let's separate it in different parts. So you're gonna practice. That is easy. Now we're gonna go to the D string. You're gonna practice. Okay, so with the sliding first finger, now you're gonna add the C sharp, keep adding notes, G, C sharp, you can slide fingers, of course, but when you do it with this pattern, your fingers are right next to each other, and you can measure just as accurately as anything else. So now you're gonna practice. So that's your B flat, okay? And same thing, low 4. Okay, again slowly. Okay, now faster. And faster. Okay, so good luck. Practice it slowly many times, then develop it into medium tempo, and then attempt to play it fast. Then long note. Okay, then you go to, there's nothing much going on here, and then at 113 you have a beautiful line. Did you see what fingerings I used? I made it up right now. So I start in first position. I moved right on the last quarter note to third position, so I can play well. I'm right there. Now I'm going to move one back, and then I'm gonna move one even further back, and it's kind of like a really good fingering to play it in tune. Then can you? Okay, so those are simple enough notes. Okay, now we're going to the big passage. Okay, so in class I mentioned a few times that you could probably figure it out how to play it with the same finger pattern, and gotta juggle the half steps. So this is 1, 3, 2, 1. So now your half step is between 1 and 2. Now move first finger. No half step. So spaces between the fingers. Now you can still keep moving up. Also no, all whole steps, no half step. Now keep moving up. Now your half step is between 3 and 2. You can go to first position. Okay, now let's do it a little bit faster. It could be played with lots of different combinations. What really matters is what happens at the fast tempo, because all the choices that you have are going to be reduced significantly once you start playing it fast and figure out that you can't play it that way. So that fingering is actually really good for playing it fast. Now I didn't even go to first position, I just kept going up. One thing to practice. So get the first finger and hit each first note of each group. Go back and forth. Okay, one more time. Again, for playing it fast, this fingering is really quick. You just have to know where your fingers fall and where your half steps are. Anything else that involves string crossing and things like that is not going to happen. Okay, and that is pretty much it. All right, good luck practicing.